What is up, guys? It's Chris back again with another video. So today I'm going to be hydro dipping some custom glow-in-the-dark Nike slides. Apparently you guys really like the hydro dipping videos, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the slides I'm going to be working on today are these custom glow-in-the-dark slides that I did in my last video. If you want to check out how exactly I did that, then make sure to check that out. But anyways, let's start taping. So now that our shoe is nicely prepped, we want to get to our hydro dipping materials. Now I'm going to be a little fancy today. I picked out a snakeskin design. Don't worry, I will leave all links to the prints in the description box down below, so check that out if you want to try this custom. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out the piece of the design that I want to use, and I'm going to tape up the edges so that they float in the water. Then I'm going to place the design in my bucket of water, spray it with my activator, and then get to that hydro dipping fun. Now there's a couple things that you need to pay attention to. Once you drop the film in the water, you want to make sure that you get out all of the bubbles under the film, because they will make a blank spot in your design. But after that, just make sure you dip it nice and slow, and it should come out really nice. Okay, so the hydro dip is looking very, very nice right now. I'm very impressed, but we're just gonna take the tape off the Nike Air, and then we're gonna apply some Angelus black paint to the Nike Air to give it some nice black details. When your Nike Air is all done, you're going to want to spray your clear coat. I'm going to be using Treehouse High Gloss Finisher. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my tape off and we're going to see what we're working with. Remember, links in the description for all of the stuff I'm using in this video. Let's go. Okay, so you guys just saw the final product. Remember to leave a comment down below and let me know exactly what you think of this custom. Also, if you ask me, if you ask my humble opinion, I really like the way these came out. The fact that the snakeskin design shows when they're glowing in the dark is super cool to me. So I am extremely happy with the way that this came out. But anyways, guys, if you like videos like this, remember to subscribe. If you want to be one of the first ones to be notified when I drop a video, hit the notification bell and join the family. But anyways, I'm not going to keep you too long. Have a blessed day, and I'll catch you guys next time.